Hello everybody and welcome back. We have a special show today with a box of 23-24 Parkhurst champions. Put that up again once on the screen. What's special about these guys? Well, there's some fun inserts. There's my personal favorite is the minis this year. They've done the throwback to the 1952 version of the card. Normally it was the 1951, the first year. So that's an 80 card set. And there's all kinds of, the usual rookies, rookie patch autos. Each box contains at least an auto or a patch, or an RPA, or a patch auto. And yeah, there's lots of packs in here too. There's 8 cards per pack and 20 cards per box. So without further ado, let's go. Taylor Radish, Burn and Rubber. Casper, Simon Nemec, Justin Sordorf. That one's full of rookies. Gonna go sparingly today on the top loaders. I am between supplies, as we say. Something special coming up here. Harbor Jack Eye. Daddy-O Flows. Sure. A rainbow, sort of again. I guess that's the silver ones. Cool. Oh, this one's a thickie. I think it's a thickie. It feels like a thickie. No, maybe not. What are those ones called again? Oh, the color variation. Clever. Hello, everybody, and welcome. That's better. Casa again. From the Chicago, the Sean Congo. Blackhawks. Very, very nice. Matthew Poitras. Rookie patch auto. Very lovely, sir. Very lovely. Wow, that's great. That's cool. Justin Robbins. What do we got? 6, 7 packs left? 5 packs left? John Trap back. Boosh. Gold Rainbow. David. My assistant wants me David. Three packs. I think we got all the big guys. Color variation. Dickinson. Connor Zary. No. Lucas Reichel. Dustin Wolf, that's great. Very little effort with the silver variant, just a different color. Okay, last pack. Oh, there's a mini in here. No, it's too slow. And there we have it, folks. One whole box of 23-24 Parkhurst. We got this amazing Matthew Poitras rookie patch auto, and several other fun cards. Please hit that like button, subscribe, come back often. Every Sunday at 9 a.m. Pacific we drop new content, and every Second week, we do a vintage series where we spin the wheel of wax and we open up a pack from anywhere from 1970 onwards. So please join us for that. Those are always fun. Still wrestling, trying to get this mini in a sleeve. Okay, folks, as we say, keep fit and have fun.